Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you are fit and fine. As well as I'm pretty good by the grace of Almighty Allah. Beloved friend, I'm English lover. I want to improve myself by any cost. I want to speak English fluently like as British, American, etc. So it's very important to learn English. I do not know how can I improve English, how can I remove my shyness, how can I remove my nervousness. So it's very important. When I get free time, then I try to practice more and more. Only me, but I try to find out a English partner that will be helpful to me, but it's very difficult to me at that time. Okay, beloved friend, please help me and try to be a good speaker. I want to be a good English speaker, so I love English and I want to improve myself always. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.